Hey, welcome to Roofing 10X, where we are going to be talking about the on-page SEO needs, what you have to take into consideration in order to make sure your website ranks well. The higher, the better. But to do that, let's focus on few things that is super important. First of all, you probably know that, but the meta title and description is super important to have your main keyword there, okay? Roofing in, or best roofing company, or best roofer in town. That's important because Google will see what are you targeting, what keyword are you targeting, and most importantly, the people that is searching is gonna see your title, the description, that needs to be something interesting, like, let's say, I'm gonna provide you a free consultation within 24 hours and risk-free, and call now. So that's the CTA, and you have higher chances to get the call than the other one that says a roofing company based in here, call us for more information. Okay, yours is gonna win. So try to make sure your description, your title appeals based on your service. The second thing is to have the website as much optimized as possible, not over optimizing, but for example, getting the H1 as the main keyword when you are target, for example, on your website, on the homepage, you have to have the H1, your main keyword. Roofer in city, or best roofing company in city, right? That's the main keyword. Then after, the H2, H3 can be a secondary or long tail keywords that you can be targeting. For example, roofing repair in Los Angeles or in city. Okay, that doesn't really matter. You can go even farther. Roofing repair with chimney at discounted price in location, as an example, right? That's important to understand because we need to focus and get all the variations of the main keyword in the website, whether it's a blog post or it's the homepage, that really doesn't matter. Always try to get as many keywords, semantic keywords as possible. So the next one is about optimizing the website. So Google understands the overall structure of the website, making sure that we have at least the locations we serve, the services we provide, okay, the blog, where we are going to be talking about pretty much everything, and we need to find ideas, whether it's a problem that every day is happening, or you can go to Quora already to find things, ideas that you can create content based on that, because that is going to help us a lot on growing our overall authority in the niche. Okay, then we need the contact us as well as FAQ on our website, so people can see or understand which questions are the most asked and get an answer right away. The next one, we have to make sure that the website is a mobile friendly and the speed optimization is there. What that means, we need to make sure, first of all, that the website opens normally in any mobile, okay? And the most important thing is to make sure that it loads under 3 seconds. That's super important because anything over 3 seconds, we are gonna see a lot of bounces on the user, because the users don't want to wait more than 3 seconds. That's what it is, right? And to do that, you need to optimize the lazy loading, minify CSS, and basically have a responsive layout for the mobile. So the next one is about creating and optimizing the internal linking, which is basically putting a link from here to here, and this is gonna help us to navigate from a blog post that is ranking about something to our about us or contact us page, where the user is gonna or call or submit a form so you can contact them. it's important to make sure the user experience and the navigation overall is as smooth as possible. So from the blog, from the services pages, from the wherever we, for the locations we serve, they can go directly to contact us and get a call or submit any form so we can get in touch with them. That's important, and it's also important for Google, so Google can also map the overall website and understand which page is the most important. Because if, for example, we are linking from 10 different pages to the contact us page, from the download the ebook or download whatever, Google is going to understand that, okay, this page is important. So I'm going to make sure that this page ranks as high as possible as well. Okay? That said, let's move to the next one, which is having a clear CTAs. Whether it's in the header of the website, anywhere that you are placing a CTA, so you, for example, want to make sure the client calls, the client submits something, make sure to have this kind of CTAs where call us for free consultation. Make sure that no one is getting any pressure on commitment or something, because people really wants first to get some information, some value before getting any commitment. Or you can use no commitment offer within 24 hours, meaning that you're gonna give them within 24 hours an offer and it's commitment free. So just ask us for a pricing for whatever and don't be afraid, because in our experience this helps a lot. Depending on which CTA or what CTA are you using, the conversion rate can just drop or grow like crazy. Super important. So the next one is a bit technical, which is called schema markup, but if you are using WordPress, there are tons of plugins that you can use where you're gonna put your business name, address, phone number, working hours, logo, reviews, and others, which helps Google even understand further, because this is a piece of code and not a content. And Google, because it's a bot, it understands much better what's your business about, or if you have something specific. Because imagine this, if your website has the schema markup with your name, business name, address, the working hours, and your competitors doesn't, guess what? Google is gonna prioritize yours because your website is more rich in data, okay, on the structure markup. Therefore, that's an advantage that you can have over the competitors. So the next one is about the geo-specific content plus the local blogging. What that means, whatever you write, always add the city plus the date. For example, best roofing materials for this season, or best roofing materials in Dallas for the best price, or the cheapest materials in Dallas for the roofing, or something along these lines. That's gonna help us also get new potential clients that they are not even looking for roofing, but they are thinking about what they can do. And if they find you, your website, that you are doing these kind of things, definitely is worth pursuing these people as well, because they might be calling you, asking for help, which you can do it pretty good. So the next other one is about putting Google Maps and the map on your footer, where people can scroll down and see the maps, which is embed, and the business name, the location, address, everything, phone number. So it's easy also to understand. And the good part and the good thing about this is that Google also understands that this website and this Google business account are connected. So this is another important thing to consider when creating a website, or if you don't have it on your website, make sure to have it. It's always good to have it on your contact us page as well, because whenever someone clicks on contact us, we'll see all the data basically to contact you or even go to your location. So the next one is about optimizing the images that we have in our website and optimizing them with the geo content, meaning that anything that we upload or put on our website needs to have the location, okay? For example, roofing services for homeowners, roofing services for whatever. Always include the city, okay? Because including the city, that's gonna help us also get more visibility on Google. For example, is roofing services for homeowners in Los Angeles or Dallas or whatever. Just remember to add the location on whenever you are even uploading. The name also can be beneficial when uploading it. So the next one is about the local reviews and the testimonials you can get on your website. The more testimonials, the better. One important thing when it comes to SEO is trying to embed the reviews that you have, for example, on Yelp, on Google My Business, or wherever you have some reviews. That's good to embed directly on your website because it's gonna help directly Google understand, okay, they are real reviews and they are embedded, and if you have the address, the phone number, the business name, everything like in your footer, the NAP, okay, Google is gonna understand that it's you and it's gonna give you an extra boost on your rankings. That's important because remember that the human mind works the following. They don't want to be tested as the first one, and if people that you helped, they say, Lucas helped me build this floor, build this roof or whatever, and I'm super happy. Guess what? If 5 people are telling, he's gonna be, okay, seems like this guy is pretty nice and he knows what he's doing. So I'm gonna trust him, and at least I'm gonna call and see what's the offer. So to conclude, on-page SEO is not a one-time job, but something that you have to do it on a daily basis, weekly or monthly basis, depending on how active are you. And that being said, if you are interested on us handling the hard job, the daily updates or everything, just contact us and we will get in touch to see how we can help you. Thanks a lot. Bye.